I'm trying, guys. I am absolutely trying here. Everything I can to like this design for the Google Pixel Fold 2. It just gets harder and harder for me to find a way to like this design, but this is exactly what we have here. The Pixel Fold 2, which obviously we have seen this render before. Well, similar render. This is more of a 360-degree render of the phone in the end here, and we're getting closer and closer to the Pixel Fold 2 launch. Now, most likely this is going to be coming out in August or September time period, a couple months after the Z Fold 6 is going to come out. But right around the time when we're going to see the Z Fold 6 Ultra come out. So this is going to be kind of in that time period. But that camera bump, looking at it from a 360 render here, is absolutely humongous. I mean, we got on the, Surface Duo 2 Surface Duo, 2 for its camera bump. That's probably just as intrusive. Now, of course, the Pixel Fold 2 doesn't go ahead and fold 360 degrees like the Surface Duo 2 did, so it's not like it's going to get in the way, but that is one humongous bump. And again, the reason why I personally don't like it is because it's just long and narrow. It takes away from what was beautiful from the Google Pixel Fold 1, in my opinion, but it's still going to be a really cool device. Nonetheless, Tensor G4 chip, it's going to be very powerful. It's going to pack a punch, and we're going to see how it compares to the best of the best phone out there, which is, again, going to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6 here, which Samsung, you're really going to have to pack a punch here. Although Samsung recently was announced that they are getting new manufacturers to their, I believe they're flippable screens to help with a little bit with the price tag for themselves. Obviously, will that translate to price tag for us as, consumers? Probably not. But for their side, at least, them making money, they're able to make a little bit more money off of it. But, as it says right here, the Galaxy Unpacked event that's kicked off 2024 made AI features and the Galaxy S24 Notes not only capable of capabilities already available in the Z Fold 5 through software. We expect the Z Fold 6 launch to introduce other AI features to the mix. So yeah, and again, it's going to be a little bit of time after the Z Fold 6 comes out that we're going to see this phone, which I think this phone is going to be amazing, personally. But I just think it's going to be amazing for how well it's going to be, like as good of a phone it's going to be. It just comes down to me, again, to the last fact of how it looks. Because I feel like, especially being a foldable phone, junkie here as I am, the look, man, that's like 90%. That's not 90% of it, but that's a good percentage of how I look at, foldable phones and why I love them so much. Is the productivity, but it's also the look of these foldable phones. So, tell me down below your thoughts, opinions. I'll see you guys in the next one.